Welcome to Belly Breath, where we embark on a journey of inner peace and renewal. In today's meditation, we'll dive into the tranquil depths of our being, shedding the layers of stress and tension that often accompany our daily lives. Find a quiet space, settle into a comfortable position, and allow yourself to be fully present. Together, we'll transform the burdens of our day into pathways of serenity and strength. Begin by bringing your hands together, palms touching. Feel the warmth and gentle energy between them. Take a moment to express gratitude for this very moment. What are you thankful for right now? Perhaps it's the simple act of breathing, the gift of life, or the peace surrounding you. Let your heart fill with appreciation. Extend this gratitude to your work, the canvas upon which you paint your days. Even amidst challenges, there are moments of growth, connection, and purpose. What aspects of your work bring you gratitude? Perhaps it's the support of colleagues, the opportunity to learn, or the sense of accomplishment. Let this gratitude resonate within you. Now, gently close your eyes and allow the darkness to envelop you. Visualize your workspace fading away. The fluorescent lights dim. The background noise softens. And the hustle of the day fades. You are now in a sanctuary of stillness. Imagine your mind as a blank canvas, open and ready to receive the colors of peace. Breathe deeply, filling your lungs with fresh, calming air, and exhale any tension or worries. You are here, fully present, ready to embrace this sacred pause. As you take another deep breath, lift your shoulders toward your ears. Feel the weight of your responsibilities, the unanswered emails, and the pending tasks. As you exhale, let your shoulders descend, visualizing these burdens melting away. Repeat this movement, lifting your shoulders and then letting them drop, lighter with each exhale, as if they were made of feathers. Imagine your worries dissolving like morning mist, leaving only clarity and calm. Shift your attention to your neck, the bridge between your head and heart. Inhale deeply, and as you exhale, gently lower your chin toward your chest. Feel the stretch along the back of your neck, acknowledging the hours spent at your desk, the decisions made, the conversations had. If you desire a deeper release, cradle your head with your hands, fingertips resting at the base of your skull. Breathe into this space, honoring the resilience and wisdom that keep you grounded. Inhale once more, lifting your chin toward the sky. As you gaze upward, sense the front of your neck elongating, the courage to express yourself, the vulnerability to seek help. Imagine your throat chakra opening, allowing your voice to flow freely. Hold this position briefly, softening your jaw with each exhale. Feel your inner truth rising like a sunbeam, illuminating your path forward. Now, gently tilt your head to the right, feeling the stretch along the left side of your neck. This is where the weight of negotiations, compromises, and late nights resides. If it feels right, place your right hand on your head, guiding the stretch. Breathe deeply into this space, honoring the strength and resilience within. A few breaths here, like whispered affirmations of your journey. Release the tilt and shift your head to the left, allowing the right side of your neck to unfurl. Breathe into this stretch, releasing any tension and uncovering hidden reserves of determination. A few more breaths, each one a note in the symphony of your adaptability. Finally, return to center, facing forward. Your body, a vessel of experience and wisdom, has absorbed these movements. Take a deep breath, savoring the stillness within. Notice how you feel, lighter, more attuned, and more compassionate toward yourself. When you're ready, open your eyes, carrying this sense of tranquility and resilience into the world. Thank you for joining this meditation on belly breath. If you found this experience helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to provide these peaceful moments for all.